Across the globe, millions of people are unknowingly missing out on a crucial vitamin, one that plays a powerful role in overall health. Its deficiency has been closely linked to serious conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and stubborn belly fat. Despite its importance, many individuals make simple yet critical mistakes when trying to address this issue. The consequences can be far-reaching, affecting energy levels, metabolism, and even long-term well-being. What are these common pitfalls, and how can they be avoided? This vitamin is well known for its role in maintaining strong bones, but its influence extends far beyond skeletal health. Acting more like a hormone, it helps regulate insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for blood sugar control. It also plays a part in how the body stores fat and supports the health of blood vessels, impacting cardiovascular function. Despite its importance, deficiency in this vitamin is a widespread issue, affecting populations around the globe and posing significant public health challenges. The vitamin at the center of this discussion is vitamin D. This essential nutrient plays a pivotal role in how our cells respond to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. By enhancing cellular sensitivity to insulin, vitamin D helps the body efficiently remove excess sugar from the bloodstream. This process is vital for maintaining balanced energy levels and supporting overall metabolic health. Understanding the impact of vitamin D on insulin response highlights its importance in everyday wellness. Recent research has highlighted a potential link between low vitamin D levels and insulin resistance, which is a key contributor to the development of type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance occurs when the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, leading to elevated blood glucose levels. Several clinical studies suggest that individuals with vitamin D deficiency may be at greater risk for impaired glucose metabolism. Evidence also indicates that correcting vitamin D deficiency could help improve insulin sensitivity and support better glucose control. While more research is needed to fully understand this relationship, maintaining adequate vitamin D levels may play an important role in metabolic health. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating the renin-angiotensin system, which is responsible for controlling blood pressure. When vitamin D levels are adequate, it helps suppress excessive renin production, promoting vascular relaxation and healthy blood flow. In contrast, a deficiency in vitamin D can lead to increased renin activity, resulting in higher blood pressure and reduced ability of blood vessels to relax. This imbalance may contribute to the development of hypertension and other cardiovascular issues. Maintaining sufficient vitamin D is therefore essential for optimal vascular function and blood pressure regulation. Recent research has revealed a fascinating connection between vitamin D and belly fat. Fat cells in the body actually contain receptors for vitamin D, meaning they can respond directly to this important nutrient. When vitamin D levels are low, these receptors may not function optimally, potentially leading to increased storage of fat in the abdominal area. This suggests that vitamin D deficiency could play a role in the accumulation of belly fat beyond the effects of diet and exercise. Understanding this link offers new insights into how maintaining adequate vitamin D levels might support healthier body composition. Leading endocrinologists and cardiology researchers increasingly recognize vitamin D deficiency as a significant metabolic risk factor. Their studies suggest that insufficient levels of vitamin D may impair insulin secretion, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. This deficiency has also been linked to broader disruptions in metabolic health, potentially increasing the risk for conditions such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Experts emphasize the importance of adequate vitamin D for supporting both endocrine and metabolic functions. As research continues, the role of vitamin D in overall health is gaining greater attention within the medical community. Surprisingly, many people are not getting the full benefits of their vitamin D supplements. The reason lies in how and when they take it, often overlooking crucial details that affect its effectiveness. Timing and dosage play a significant role, but there's another factor that's frequently missed: a key nutrient essential for proper absorption. Without this nutrient, even the best vitamin D regimen can fall short. Understanding these elements can make all the difference in how your body utilizes vitamin D. Vitamin D is not a miracle cure, but addressing a deficiency can play a meaningful role in supporting healthier blood sugar levels, improved blood pressure, and reduced visceral fat. It's important to recognize that these benefits work best as part of a broader approach to wellness. Staying informed and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals ensures that decisions about supplementation are safe and effective. By understanding the science and consulting experts, individuals can make choices that truly benefit their health